Hey guys, Scott here. We're out in the beautiful sunlight. We got the SoundPower 1200 watts portable speaker, but also power bank system that we're going to unbox and we're going to test out and show you guys. So let's get started.
From the new stock, drunk off the goose, yeah, thinking that I'm too punk, getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me, even what I got, nobody will drain my energy, and I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies, setting up shop so everybody remember me, and though I am not going through life regretfully.
So this is the portable unit. You get two microphones, they supply you with the batteries, your power cables as well, 12-volt power supply as well, your manuals. Taking a look here, you have your guitar, aka amp hookup. You got bass, echo, gain. You have your mic level. Easy to pick up with these handles. You have a light on the top. If we take a look on the side, you have a solar hook. Well, no, this one would be for your 12-volt hookup. Of course, you can connect this to solar as well. You got your AC plug. So this is going to be for if you want to charge it with the AC outlet, and they give you the heavy duty plug for doing that. Just your standard microphones. You got two USB-C ports, two USB ports. You got your DC in. This is DC 5521. Reset breaker if you trip it. Don't mind a little dirt on here. We laid it down and it got a little dirty from our table, so that's not how it's going to come. You can easily clean that off. We take a look on, so here's the speaker itself. If we take a look on this side, you have two AC outlets. Keep in mind that they are not, they're not grounded outlets over here. It's just a two-prong. Even though you could put a grounded plug in, I don't think you guys should, but you guys can if you want. Take this layer off. Let's go ahead, press and hold to power it on. Here's the light. So you got it flashing, so you can keep it on, dim, flashing. It's very hard outside to see the display because it's so highly reflective. Like even my camera, my camera doesn't even want to show you. Let's see if we can do this a little better here. Wow, that is so reflective. There, you can see it. Wow. Thanks to our phone blocking out the light. So that's how it's gonna look. It'll tell you your output, input, once connected. To turn the speaker on, you want to press and hold the speaker symbol right on here, and it's gonna, I know you guys aren't gonna be able to see this. That's definitely a high recommendation for the brand to not make it so reflective. Indoors, it's probably not an issue to see it, but outside, it's a little tough to see it. So maybe they could work on that. So we got colors you guys can change for the speakers, which is really cool. All right, let's go ahead. All right, so once you press and hold the music button, now you have to have your screen powered on. That's going to automatically turn on Bluetooth. You can press the bass to turn bass on and off, and it's going to show you your indicators on there. Then you're going to go under your Bluetooth settings, and you're going to look for, under available devices, it's probably going to say SoundPower 1200 or UI/BI SoundPower. Once you do that, connect it with your MP3 player or phone or device, and should be ready to go. Make sure you have the volume turned the whole way down just to start. It's my opinion, so it's not too loud. All right, so indoors you can easily see it. Just outdoors, it's hard to see the screen. All right, here we go.
I'd rather work non-stop, they call it Cecily, then want some more job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting old, gotten soul, so stop dropping rolls. You lost all control, and pop off your balls. I got what I fold, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, ain't never giving up, I ain't never know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never make it. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down.
Alright guys, so with my final thoughts, the bass is good, trev is good, it's very loud, the whole unit is pretty cool. Overall, I think it's great for indoors, outdoors. Definitely people definitely can hear it from a long ways off. I think it's really cool. Built-in speaker, power bank, all in one. It definitely seems to last long, as you guys saw there. With the volume on maximum, it said 11 hours, which at 30% I can't imagine that. Maybe 7-8 hours straight or something, I don't know, even that's crazy. But overall, very impressed. The only thing, you know, out in the daytime with the sunlight, it's really hard to see the display. Indoors, no problem. I mean, you could go like that outside and you can see it better. That's really the only negative I have to say about this unit.